Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to log into your blockchain wallet. First, open your preferred web browser or the dedicated mobile application on your device. It's crucial to verify you are on the legitimate site or app to protect your assets. Once confirmed, look for the Login or Sign In button, typically positioned prominently on the home page. Clicking this will take you to the next step in accessing your digital funds. Next, you'll need to enter your login credentials. In the first input box, type your registered email address or your unique wallet ID. Below that, carefully enter your password. Remember, strong passwords include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Always double-check both your email or ID and your password for any typos before moving forward to ensure a smooth login process. Many blockchain wallets require two-factor authentication, or 2FA for enhanced security. If prompted, open your authenticator app like Google Authenticator, or check your SMS messages for a unique, time-sensitive code. Enter this 6-digit code into the provided field. This critical step verifies your identity and adds a robust layer of protection, making it much harder for anyone else to access your wallet, even if they have your password. Congratulations! After successfully completing all the authentication steps, you will be directed to your personal wallet dashboard. This is where you can view your current cryptocurrency balances, review your transaction history, and initiate new transactions to send or receive funds. Always remember to log out of your wallet when you are finished, especially if you are using a shared or public computer, to maintain the security of your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.